Right. What? Oh. Alright, see what I got here. I don't know. This is 97 Chevy. No, it's a GMC. It's got a key switch deal. Nothing comes on. Turn the key. See? Turn the key. Nothing. Nothing. Give this key switch a tap. See if I can catch it all in the picture. I'm going to give this key switch a tap. This is how you run it from now on. Boom. Just a tap. She goes. See what I'm saying? Shut her off. Got nothing at the key switch. Just crank, 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 crank. Can you hear it cranking? Give this sumbitch a tap. See this thing, this box right here, and you gotta use this thing. Boom. Just keep that in mind. If you ever want to drive one of my pickups, you gotta have this chisel handle thing to start it. Got her back in two-wheel drive. So it's got a brand new fuel pump, but it doesn't need it because all you got to do is go like this. Watch. Tap it. She runs like a top. Okay?